Thank you for the following. Welcome. What's cooking in the kitchen today? Well, it's gonna be potato with cream and cheese. So it's a French recipe that's called Gratin Dauphinois. I don't know if there's a name for that in English or in the country that you are from. Yeah, it's gonna be yummy. Of course it's gonna be. And yeah, we put this in the oven. So for now, it's the boring part with the potatoes. It's gonna get to the fun part. I finished already this one. So it's clean here, and now it's gonna be time to cut the potato. I think with cheddar cheese to make it more British. But yeah, I'm gonna use mozzarella with cheddar cheese. It's pretty cool. Yeah, so you need cream. Basically, it's very basic and it's very easy to do. So you cut your potato in slide like that, so it can cook easily in the oven. Okay, so that's gonna be the fun part. Yeah, exactly. Okay, let's put this here. Okay. So, now we put the potatoes. You cover all the plate with potato, like this. Then you pour cream. Then again you put potato, you put cream again. But yeah, you cover all with potatoes and then cream, because the cream gonna go down. So you put cream, you put a little bit of cheese, and then you repeat. You put again the potato, cream, cheese, and again until it's until you have enough, or until you finish your potato. And then oven. You bake it in the oven for like 25 minutes, half an hour. It's gonna depend on your plate. It's gonna depend on the potato. Cheese. Here I have a big mozzarella one. Yeah, it's like a cheese addiction. How you can live without cheese? Like, how? How? So the thing is, the potato gonna cook with the cream in the oven. You cover once with the cream. Okay, I don't have enough, I'm gonna put more. And it's gonna go down when it's gonna be cooking. Yeah. Let's put this. Wow. This cheese is heavy. I cut the cheese before doing the potato again. Wow, that's kind of funny. I'm really enjoying that. Okay. Let's put a little bit more of cheese. Just the taste in the middle, because if you put all the potato like this, it's not gonna go in between, and it's really important to have in between the potatoes. This was for me. Okay, just a little bit more, and we're gonna put the other potatoes, just to have enough cheese. Not too much, but it's never enough cheese. Never enough. Okay. Okay. Now repeat with the potatoes. This one is a little bit too big. Let's cut it. Yeah, better. It's gonna be more easy to cook in the oven. I don't recommend to slide it too much, like a machine that's gonna slide, because it's gonna be too teeny. You don't need it to be teeny. Okay, see, because the potato is covering everything, so you need to re-put cream and re-put cheese because it's covered. So I think we're gonna have for a few more time, one more time, potato. That's kind of cool. Yeah, I'm gonna finish my cream and open a new one. It's like you don't need to put a lot of cream. Like this one is kind of big, but normally half of this one should be enough. So like this one is 400 grams, so it's enough. Half of this is enough. So it's more to cover it so it can bake more easily in the oven. You don't need to have like a lot of fat in the cream. You can take, this one is 18% fat, so at the end it's not that fat, okay? So yeah, this one is a thick cream. It's better than the liquid one. The liquid one gonna go everywhere. Yeah, it's not that nice, so yeah, thick. So yeah, there's kind of a lot of cream, so it's better to take low fat cream for that. But it's gonna really give a really nice taste to the potato, and the cheese is gonna be very nice. Okay. Now again with the cheese. We go back with the cheese. Okay, for this one, yes, you can use a machine to cut the cheese. You don't have to do it like that. But I am enjoying that. So let's keep it like this. Let's put some more cheese here. There's never too much cheese, okay? So you put the quantity of cheese that you want, okay? Yeah, I didn't put salt, I didn't put pepper, but you can add salt and pepper every time, okay? So really the thing of cooking is like you have the freedom to do what you want, to change the taste. Okay, okay. I'm gonna put a little bit of pepper here. Just a little bit for the taste. So in between, yeah, that's look nice. Just in between the potato. And we go again. Okay, that's so cool. Just a little bit more of cream because now it can go out of the plate. So I don't think we need more cream. You can leave the potato like that, or you can put a little bit more cheese. We're gonna put a little bit of cheese because there's never enough cheese. Just to be careful that the cheese can burn if there is too much there. This is the only thing. So you can cut your cheese, wait, put the potato in the oven and wait. When you see that it's already well cooked, like 10 minutes before, you can put the cheese, and the cheese is not gonna be burned. So you can prepare your cheese to put it later, and this I think is gonna be better. So the oven, 250. Okay. And we put the heater up and down. Okay, up and down. We're gonna put a timer, 25 minutes, and we're gonna see if it's not burned, if it needs to be more. Yeah, this is the thing to cook. Okay, it's gonna really depend on the oven, how we cook. I'm not gonna wait until it's already. I'm gonna put it now. Okay, I need to put a timer. We're gonna put 25 minutes for now. Oh yes, I'm gonna show you. So you put, okay, 250. If it's too much, you can put less. And you put this one, okay, up and down. So yeah, it's gonna depend the oven that you have. And this one is an electrical one, so it's gonna be different if you have gas oven. It's gonna cook differently, so you have to check with your oven. Ask your oven how they cook. Okay. And it's really cooking very nice. I'm gonna need it to change the position because it's a little bit it's cooking well, very well over there, okay, and here a little bit less. So I change the temperature because I'm seeing that it's okay. Let's change here. So we was there, now it's time to change a little bit. We can put here or we can put here to let it cook slower, okay, because it's already, yeah, cooking very well. So yeah, with this one up and down is cooking very well. So yeah, this side is cooking very well, the other not that well. Okay, it's already 25 minutes, so I think 10 more minutes. So normally it's gonna depend how you put your oven, but it's normally 40 minutes. This is why I put a timer, first one to 25 minutes, so I go and I check, but here it was too warm, so we put a little bit less. At this time you can also stop the oven and let it cook for the rest of the 10 minutes because the oven gonna still be warm, so you can directly cut it also. I just cut the oven, okay, I put in 0 and it's gonna still cooking, so it's the light on, but it's gonna continue cook. I'm gonna put the timer for 10 minutes more. And just be careful to not for the potato to burn. But it's nice. It's getting a little nice golden color. It's looking really, really nice. That's look very nice.